Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. It's Juliet here. Hope you all are doing great. In today's video we're going to be making shrimp dodo. So yeah, let's just get straight into the video. These are the list of ingredients that will be needed. I'll give a detailed explanation in the description box. And here I just chopped up my plantain, my ripe plantain, into tiny pieces. And now I'm cleaning the shrimp. A lot of people do not know how to clean shrimp. For years I didn't know. I just learned not quite long, and I decided to give a detailed explanation on how to prepare shrimp. You just clean, remove the shell, remove the head. You can use the head for something else by either drying or boiling it to make shrimp broth. And yeah, just get sharp knife and cut the back open like this, just to get out the vein, because if you do not remove the vein, you're not going to enjoy it. And after that, just rinse it very well with a clean water to make sure it's thoroughly cleaned. You get a chopping board or any board and you cut it into two, or you can use it as it is without cutting it into two. Please guys, don't do what I did here. Do not use your knife on your hands like that. So I'm going to be using this Maggi seasoning to just season my shrimps a bit. I'm not going to be adding salt. And here, as you can see, stir frying my shrimp for a while until it's halfway cooked, and then I'll take it off the heat. And using the same oil, I'm going to fry my tomato mix. This is tomato, pepper, onion. Yeah, that's it. Tomato, pepper, and onion. And I'm going to using this Maggi chicken stock cube. I used half of the cube. And salt, curry powder. I actually love this freshly product, so if it's available in your country, please go look for it. It's so good. And I'm adding some ginger powder, and I think that was all I added. Okay, I added thyme. Yeah, some thyme, and I'll give that a stir and allow it to dry a little bit, and stir in my green and yellow pepper for some pop of color. I'm adding the shrimp now and just give that a good stir, as you can see. And the next thing I'll be doing is to add my plantains, because it's ready. It does not take a long time. I made these in less than 20 minutes, guys. So yeah, and it is very delicious, very delicious. It could serve as a side dish. It could serve as a meal for maybe movie night or something cozy like that. And yeah, here you have it, guys. Our shrimp dodo is ready. I know there are lots of dodo and whatever protein videos, but I decided to try shrimp dodo and I really enjoy the outcome. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel, guys. Like this video and share. Until I come your way next time, have a lovely day. Bye.